Good day to all. I am Joyce T. Sablon. Today, I will be sharing with you my proposed research study entitled Knowledge and Practices on Infant Care Among Mothers in a Certain District in Iloilo City. Maternal knowledge and practices on infant care are critical determinants of infant health outcomes. Proper knowledge and practices ensure that infants receive adequate nutrition, hygiene, immunization, and overall care. However, the specific levels of knowledge and the prevalence of recommended practices among mothers in a certain district in Iloilo City are not well documented. Mothers should possess comprehensive knowledge about various aspects of infant care, such as breastfeeding, immunization schedules, hygiene practices, and nutrition. They should also consistently apply this knowledge in their daily care routines to promote optimal infant health and development. There is limited studies and localized data on the knowledge and practices of mothers in a certain district in Iloilo City regarding infant care. This gap in information hinders the ability of healthcare providers to design and implement targeted interventions and educational programs to improve maternal and infant health outcomes. By conducting this study, we aim to fill this gap, providing a clear picture of the current state of maternal knowledge and practices in this specific community, and identifying areas where additional support and education are needed. For the general objective, this study aims to determine the relationship between knowledge and practices on infant care among mothers in a certain district in Iloilo City. Specifically, this study aims to number one, determine the socio-demographic profile of mothers in terms of age, educational attainment, religion, civil status, family's monthly income, and number of children. Number two, to determine the level of knowledge of mothers on infant care when grouped as a whole and when classified according to age, educational attainment, religion, civil status, family's monthly income, and number of children. Number three, to determine the level of practices of mothers on infant care when grouped as a whole and when classified according to age, educational attainment, religion, civil status, family's monthly income, and number of children. And lastly, to determine if there is a significant relationship between level of knowledge and level of practices on infant care among mothers in a certain district in Iloilo City. For the significance of the study, first, for mothers and families, they can benefit directly by gaining insights into best practices for infant care, which can lead to improved health outcomes for their infants. This knowledge can empower mothers to make informed decisions about overall infant health. Healthcare providers, nurses, midwives, and doctors working in maternal and child health can benefit from this study by understanding the specific needs and gaps in knowledge among mothers in the district. This can help them tailor their educational efforts and support services more effectively. For community health programs, local health departments and community organizations focus on maternal and child health can use these findings to design targeted interventions and educational programs. These can include workshops, seminars, or outreach campaigns aimed at improving infant care practices. For policymakers, government officials and policymakers can benefit from this study by using the data to advocate for policy changes or improvements in healthcare services related to maternal and child health. This might include resource allocation, training, programs for healthcare providers, or guidelines for maternal and child health services. For researchers and academics, this study can contribute to the existing body of research on maternal and child health, particularly in a certain district in Iloilo City. This can help researchers identify trends, gaps in knowledge, and areas for further investigation. For the research design, this study will utilize quantitative research utilizing survey correlational. For the population in sampling, the respondents of this study will be the mothers in a certain district in Iloilo City. Purposive sampling will be utilized in this study. Definition of variables. Knowledge is a familiarity, awareness, or understanding of someone or something. In this study, it refers to quantify and evaluate the level of correct information and awareness that mothers have about caring for their infants. And it can be assessed by scoring their responses to specific questions or scenarios related to infant care. Practices. Practices are actions or activities that are repeatable, regular, and recognizable. In this study, practices refers to the actual behaviors and routines employed by mothers in the care of their infants. This includes how mothers apply their knowledge of infant care in their daily activities. Infant care. Infant care involves feeding, safe sleep routines, diaper changes, and maintaining hygiene for health. In this study, infant care refers to the practices and routines that mothers engage in to ensure the health and well-being of their infants, including feeding, sleeping, changing diapers, and maintaining hygiene, as well as the mother's understanding and application of different practices. Paradigm of variables. This shows the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variables. For the independent variable, under the demographics, we have age, educational attainment, religion, civil status, family's monthly income, and number of children. For the dependent variables, we have knowledge and practices on infant care of mothers. Statistical tests. The results of the data gathered will be tabulated and analyzed numerically on the computer using statistical package for the social sciences or SPSS, a software for statistical analysis. Spearman's Rule. Spearman's Rule will be utilized in this study to determine the correlation between the knowledge and practices on infant care among mothers in a certain district in Iloilo City. It is a type of correlation coefficient that will be used as a non-parametric correlation statistic to measure the strength of association between two rank-ordered variables. That's all for my research title presentation. Thank you.